Alright, in response to my last video, I said put together one of a good little cigarette lighter USB with a good voltage indicator. This will be hopefully a quicker one. Same setup, 120 AC to 12 volt DC, a little bit better than 12 volt. A calibrated Fluke 87.5 meter. And I get them both in here again. A 500 ohm potentiometer I'm going to run here. And 12.2 and 12.2. 11.8. 11.8. Let's see how far down. This is the first time testing this. I haven't tested this before. I'll take it down to 8.3. 8.3. So this one, I'll put a link to this one. Well, at least the eBay auction where I got these ones from. Put a link to those and turn it back up. 12.2. 12.2. Much better. This is a good one.